Yo, subscribe to Petagaye YouTube channel. Petagaye Life. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Skeptical move.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now, tonight we're going to the road. We're going to the ATM first. Then we're going downtown. We'll do some shopping. She's going to buy me some stuff because she's really rich. I would assume. So I'll buy some stuff. I'm carrying you guys with us. You guys miss the town vlog? Let me know in the comment section. So, and you guys remember it's town, so I want to try my best and vlog, because you know. So, journey with us to downtown. What if you make me drop? You don't laugh though? Why you don't laugh? It's not funny. It's not funny, brother. What's your stomach there? Guys, I don't know where that bumper come from. I don't know where that bumper come from. Anywho, we are hit the road, so yeah. We are bus stop. That's not going to wait for one bus. No one taxi for the town. I legit have 2 hours to reach back here, get ready and go back on the road. Because I go over a lot of so yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Most of the way for now. Sometimes I call her Lataya, sometimes I call her English. So who don't know? Yes. That not go outside. No. You're buying lash to put on your lash. They want to fly. Guys, which one do you want? The top one?
Bottom one. Bottom.
So you buy that one then? Cash out, my friend. So guys, I got this.
Black one, number 1. Give me the one in the bottom one. No, that one like that. That's too extra.
But you're not extra. What's your buy lash? Or she can put it on. You can put on lash? Guys, what do you think about this? I just bought this dress also, so I got 3. So just gonna also I'll find some dress. I'll see if I can do a video like a haul to show you guys what we got, what we try on, and something. So they even sell pants and shorts and different like fancy and something. Yeah man. So guys, we are looking for underwear. You find out what you want to?
100 for them. Yeah man. How much been second you give for 150?
So for the couple of these?
You sell 100 pants. Time too hard. Yeah, dog, one little. Pull him over. I love Snapchat, I can look pretty.
I love Snapchat pictures, taking pictures on Snapchat. Guys, I'm back home. I'm at the bus stop again. And I'm about to leave.
Leave me. She's leaving me.
Oh, you look so
tired. Looking at the camera. No, we look tired. I at the camera. Oh, so look at me out.
So, that's a one for what I want. So guys, guys, Maurice Alataya. I bought a ginger beer and banana cheese in my bag. That's what I'm gonna have. Some of this day I go and bill. Or I just owe and vibe and stuff. That tired day and our Sunday I see me. So I go and bill and stuff. So guys, I wonder where that big bumper come from. But that's what's up, and this is my OOTD today. And simple, you know? I'm big belly, but that's a life, bro. Good morning, you guys. Well, I didn't really do much last night. Then I just eat a banana and cheese, and then I just go sleep. So right now, obviously, it's the next day. I'm get ready for leave for work. Say hi, guys. You know, say hi. Hi. So, about to leave now. We up on the ride. Then we go to Spanish Town. And then I get something to eat. And then you guys see how my day go. And thanks everyone who said they love the hair. Thank you. So, yes, seriously. Morning. You alright? Yeah, work meds, you know? Oh, you wake up so early though? Yeah. Eh? Oh, you're one of them people that who work, who exercise and go back to sleep. Morning. Eh? Yeah, have you been watching my vlogs? Which one was the last one you watch? No, me I tap on YouTube. Yeah. You need to go, but you subscribe, but if you just catch up and keep up here. But just sport one just post not too long. So the link there, so you can't keep but I'm gonna send it to you though. Alright, later. So that's that. Right now I feel like some stewed chicken and things. So back at it with the vlogs. Now back at it. I love this hair so much. So guys, I also did a hair tutorial, hair review. But I know it should be up, but if not, it should be coming. You guys saw this here. It's like as I say, everything I did in the videos. So yeah, I'm not really good with baby hairs. So you guys have to stay with me. Don't judge me. Ooh. I want CJ. What you thought? If you say hi, that's enough for them. Hi. They must say, can you see the vlogs them? Maybe share watch the vlogs. I don't know. So, yeah. Guys, I just reached our tree. They're at a transport center. I go to my mother's and get something to eat before I go out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm really hungry. So yeah. Guys, so this is what I got from Mother's and a tea and come out of the box, and I'm gonna eat this and see if I can get food ready for the work. Guys, I just reached work. Tired. I was in the taxi burning, like legit burning up. So right now, I'm just dying for my shift for done for go. I'm gonna lie down and go sleep. So I must have given the updates. The food, it was okay. But I go on, because I stopped hunger, so I can't complain. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and keep being you. So I'll see you guys on either my break or my lunchtime. So guys, we reached a good while now. Always and for our dinner. Tasty. Yeah, mom, the ketchup on my straw. Guys, I'm using paper straw there. I'm not sure what I'm going to get. See that? Hello? Being lazy enough. So, yeah, show her mine. I should go to try this. Hey, can't go over the nice to me. I did the some. I'm not so big. So, guys, when I buy a KFC, what I always get? I love zinger. I love zinger and I love corn on the cob. Corn on the cob.
Me? I love KFC. Me eat anything.
And when I get it like this, like spicy, I always stir with the skin.
Me eat the skin.
The skin is so oily. So far.
Oh no, use your hand. What if you don't use your hand? So don't use your hand.
Look there, look there.
It's a big pot. It's a big bowl. You have to go. So you want to morning? We want to open the people.
Guys, videos are coming back to back. Tell me what you guys want to see.
Back to us.
Every other day.
Every other day.
Number 2, adoption on Instagram. Follow me on all my socials.
Your girl underscore chin. And them is a bit like yourself.
And give me some prank ideas. But I give me the prank. It will be my first prank though. No, second.
Tell me. Petagaye, not even a prank on your channel like that. That'll be a food. That'll be a spoon. Oh, that's the viral. What's the viral again?
Well, whatever.
When you take a pill, you're off there.
No, but that one prank man. Back then, made prank. Razor. Tell somebody wanting. No, sorry. If you know what's that prank there, you know, take it home.
Did you watch the prank?
I know what time I eat. After 12, midnight.
That means I'm not get fat. I'm not get fat. I eat one time a day. So I just do something I can't do. I drink enough and eat one time a day.
So we're just there. What are you guys having for, you know?
I do them in bed now with again. After what time now?
And some of them, we just say them, we are make them eat hungry. I'm not tired.
Talk now in the vlog.
So guys, we'll call on this to end today's vlog.
After one.
Yes, we'll just finish eat food and catch up on some more vlogs, right? So
What you want them the best?
yeah, you guys, if you guys haven't checked out the Ochi vlogs, check them out. Travel vlogs, Montego Bay vlogs, Spanish
Yeah, the
vlogs.
hairstyle. The pizza hairstyle.
Yeah, so check out the vlogs. So remember to follow us on Instagram, on Snapchat, on all my social. I have a Facebook fan page. Go over there, like it, show me your support.
You have ever
Yeah. So thanks for the love, guys. Remember to like, share,
say that.
Yeah. like,
Like, comment, share, and
subscribe, and I'll see you guys
Enjoy
in
the
tomorrow's upload.
But
But remember, say guys, for tell us what you like for us to do, challenges, hauls. Tell us what you guys want to see. Don't watch my hair. You know that I put down my wig.
Inbox me on Instagram.
You know that I put down my wig. So like this.
Wiggy. But I have a real ear.
Not that. I like. I mean, no, what still, but not
Yeah, just-
that.